Apps can quickly fill up your Android phone and slow it down. In this video, I'll show you how to move Android apps to an SD card to free up space and boost performance. Part 1. How to move Android apps to SD card manually. Open Settings Apps, tap App Manager and choose an app. Select Move to SD card or Storage. Change SD card. When it shows Move to Device Storage, it's done. Part 2. Can I use SD card as internal storage? Use an SD card as internal storage to install apps directly and free phone space. Works on Android Marshmallow Plus, but some devices block it. A Windows command line trick can enable it. Option 1. Format SD card as internal storage on Marshmallow. Insert the SD card and tap Setup. Choose Use as internal storage and tap Next. Confirm by tapping Erase and Format. When done, select Move Now to transfer apps and data. Option 2. Adopt SD card as internal storage via ADB tool. Connect phone via USB. Enable USB debugging and MTP. Open command prompt. Enter ADB shell. Then Zim list disks. Partition SD card. Full private or partial mixed 50. Go to Settings Storage to move apps. Part 3. Why can't some application be transferred to SD card? Some apps can't be moved. Developers block it to avoid SD card issues. Back up to PC instead. Internal storage is safer for personal data, as SD cards are easier to lose or corrupt.